So hi guys, we're waiting for our friends. We're waiting for our friends. So while we're waiting, we're going to do a podcast. So the name of our podcast is Bob Talks because we're here at Bob's.
So please introduce yourself, Miss.
Hello everyone, I am Veronica Salvador.
So this is Veronica Salvador. Thank you so much for coming here in my show. So how's Bacolod? I heard it's your first time here.
Yes, actually, I really do like Bacolod because the people here is very happy. That's why it's called City of Smiles. I visited Bacolod because I have an event here at Mascara Highlights. So,
Okay, so let me ask you a question. How did you become a beauty guru? Like in this age, maraming bashers, maraming mga taong hindi sumusuporta sa'yo, at maraming against sa'yo. So,
actually, nag-trending ako kasi meron akong isang video na nag-viral.
Ano yun?
Kasi mali-mali yung paglagay ko ng makeup. Hindi pa kasi ako marunong nun mag-makeup. So, yung steps ng makeup ko from the beginning to end, mali-mali. So, ang dami nagbabash na hindi ko daw alam kung
pero
kung paano.
you claim to be a beauty guru.
Yes, at that time,
time.
ang dami ko ng followers ganon. So, merong isang beauty influencer din na nag-comment. Hindi na ako magna-name drop.
No.
Oo.
Ano sinabi
Pero
niya?
ngayon, okay naman kami kasi nagkabati na kami, nag-talk na kami.
Ikaw ba yung pinaparinig niya sa live dati?
Siguro, ako, ang dami nagtatag sa akin noon sa live niya.
Yung manggagamit, tapos diba, nakalala ka sa pagiging viral mo.
Opo.
So, paano mo ba na-discover na ganong content ang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo?
Wala, kasi even when I was a little girl, yung mama ko kasi mahilig siya mag-makeup. So nakikita ko siya, pag umaalis siya, nagme-makeup siya. Ay, totoo to ha. Nagme-makeup siya. So kapag nagme-makeup siya, ako nandito lang ako sa gilid. Nag-ano din ako ng mga makeup niya. So doon ko na wala. Ang saya kapag nagme-makeup. Kasi parang ina-express mo yung self mo.
So, what was your relationship with your dad while growing up?
We were good, even though wala siyang parati sa tabi namin. Kasi always siya work. Pero okay lang naman. Kasi ang dami niya kasing projects na mga contractor kasi siya.
Wow!
So,
Ba't ka tumatawa?
hindi. Kasi yung dad ko, I know with the issue going on, hindi siya yung tipong contractor na naiisip nyo. Isa siyang masunurin na contractor. Hina-make sure niya na talaga na fair yung contribution ng mga materials sa mga lugar-lugar.
Has your dad ever accepted a government work under government project?
Yes, actually, oo.
So, paano mo nasisiguro with all the infrastructures that your dad was fair and kasi parang lahat dyan na-generalize nila na yung mga contractor today na under that accepts government work is, nagkakat talaga para sa kanila. So, maybe that's why a lot of people parang nililink ka sa mga bagay
Yes.
yung lifestyle mo ngayon, paano mo na-afford.
Actually, before pa nag-dad ko naging contractor, isa na akong independent. Kasi, tawag doon, nag-earn na ako sa pagiging beauty guru ko. So, naging independent na ako, hindi ako umaasa sa dad ko. Minsan, pag binibigyan ako, okay na, pero
paano yung Paris, yung nag-attend ka ng Paris Fashion Week and the Milan Fashion Week, anong pera yung ginamit mo? Is it because of content creating?
bayad na yun. It's from
are
the
you
brand. Yeah.
okay.
Wala na akong binayaran doon. Yung mga binayaran ko, yung mga
expenses also stable.
yes. Bayad na talaga yung accommodation and everything, plane ticket, okay na yun.
Pwede yung mga foods.
Yes, sa kanila na talaga yun.
Really?
Yes.
I heard hindi ka daw kumakain.
Yun nga akala nila kapag nag-out of town ako, ako yung nagbabayad. Pero usually, yung mga brands yung nagbabayad. Kasi syempre in-invite ako. Syempre I need to make sure na bayad na lahat, okay na lahat. So kung may babayaran man ako, usually mga side trips ko na lang yun.
Of course, kasi limited yung time natin. I'll be very honest, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy with all the issues you've heard about it. What's your relationship with the presidential son, Santo Marcos?
Okay, sige. This is the first time that I will be airing this answer kasi I've been
But you've
getting...
read a lot of...
Yes, I've been getting a lot of comments, issues, and notifications regarding that. And yes, totoo po.
Totoo dahil. Meron bang tawag na yung totoo po?
Totoo po na may something sa amin. Yes. And actually, at first, sinasabihan ko talaga siya na kung gusto niya talaga ako, he needs to end up, he needs to stop with the previous girl. Kasi
Oh my
syempre,
God, oh my God.
syempre, ayoko talaga,
overlapping between
yes, ayoko talaga na
I'm proud of that. Hindi ka ba natakot sa bash?
Actually, I saw it coming naman na mababash ako or mapapansin ng mga tao, pero alam namin ni Sandro kung ano yung what's happening between us. So, kami lang yung nakakaalam. And hindi naman kailangan...
But the people has an idea between the two of you. Parang ginagawa nila kayo ng, you know,
Yes, issues. Hindi naman natin kasi opinion nila yan, pag-iisip nila yan. So, wala tayong magagawa
but
kapag...
this is my final question since it's 10 minutes.
Okay.
Were you in a relationship with Santo Marcos when he has a girlfriend? When he had a girlfriend?
Mutual. Pero,
What do you mean
walang
mutual?
label. As in,
So, nagkakamabutihan kayo?
yes.
Can you consider it as cheating?
Yes, actually, oo.
Okay guys, pwede siya i-bash.
May may permission to bash, wala.